Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing the Majestica floor plan, part of the Manor Line of homes that you can find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida communities. This home here is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath home, almost 3,300 square foot. Let's take a walk inside the Majestica and see how majestic it really is. You've got a nice little porch area hanging out here, overlooking your views out of the front of the home, which is really nice. And as you walk into the home, you've got a seating area directly to the right, which obviously you can repurpose as a den type space. On the other side of the seating area is your dedicated dining room. And then you also have access to the single car garage. On the other side of the home is the double car stall. So as we walk in through the dedicated dining space, we're going to head into the kitchen here. All of the Manor homes do come with a full appliance package, stainless appliance package. And the Majestica has a nice, great room feel down below here, with your kitchen overlooking your living space. You also have the eat-in kitchen area, big enough for 6 top, as you can see right there, with sliders heading out to your lanai and pool area. Now, as we walk past this living space here, on the right here, you're going to have some understair storage, and that wraps all the way back in there. And then you also have the guest bathroom here, the half bath, for all your guests that are here downstairs. You also have a nice triple slider leading out to your views from the living space. Coming down the hallway here, access to your 2-car garage right here. You've got a linen closet, inside laundry space with the washer and dryer. Full washer and dryer are included with Lennar homes. And then you have the first of the 5 bedrooms here used as a den in this scenario with the bifold closet doors. And this piggybacks right off the pool bath, which has the singular sink, the commode, and combination tub and shower. Now, coming back towards the entry of the home, we are going to head upstairs. Now, at the top of the stairwell, you have a nice view down below of the living space and the kitchen. And you've got a nice loft area. You can see here plenty of room for additional seating. Nice place to read a book. You've got the loft area over here in the corner, which is another great area for additional seating and watching television. And directly off of that, you have the guest bathroom here. 2 sinks with the combination tub shower and private commode. Almost like a Jack and Jill style, this cuts right directly across, and you have guest bedrooms 2 and 3. Walk-in closet, which is really nice. And the 3rd bedroom here with the bifold closet, as you see there. Now, coming back across, we are going to have the final 2 bedrooms. You have the master and guest bedroom number 4. Walking into guest bedroom number 4, nice sized room here. Unique thing about guest bedroom 4, notice the bifold closets there, but you have an ensuite bath here. So the 4th bedroom does have its own private bath with the singular sink, commode, standalone shower. And last but not least, we have the master suite. Huge room here, folks. King size bed, of course. Plenty of room, lots of natural light with the big windows overlooking your views out of the back of the home. You've got his and hers closets, really nice size closets here. This one being the bigger of the 2. And this leads us into the master bath, where straight ahead you have your glass enclosed shower, the soaking tub. You have your private commode room here. You have your dual sinks and linen closet. So that does it for the upstairs. And last but not least, we're going to head downstairs and take a look at the pool area. Now, as we cut directly across towards the pool, you're going to find a really nice space under truss here. Plenty of room here to have a nice seating area, an outdoor dining table, to enjoy the outdoors here in Florida, overlooking your pool. You can see there's plenty of room out here for dining table, additional lounge chairs, and more. All right, folks, so this is the Majestica model. You're going to find this at many Lennars Southwest Florida communities. We are your Lennar experts. If you like the Majestica, we will help you find the floor plan in the right community for you, or help you preview one of the other great floor plans by Lennar. Guys, this is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.